In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Blackbox AI in VS Code. Now, the first thing you have to do here inside VS Code, you want to go to your left-hand side and you want to click on the Extensions tab. In here, you want to look for Blackbox, so type in Blackbox like this and press Enter, and it's going to find a bunch of different things, and the first one is the one that's verified, so you want to click on it, and then here it's going to say Install, so there's going to be like a blue button. Click on it, and it's going to start installing, and this usually takes like a few seconds up to a minute, and whenever that's done, you'll be able to see your Blackbox AI over here on the left hand side, and you'll be able to open it as one of the extensions, and I'm going to show you in a second how you can actually achieve this and how to basically use it. So there we go. As you can see, it's now installed. I can see it here. There's like this bolt icon, so you can just click on it and it's going to automatically pop up here. And as you can see, you can go ahead or sign up and get $5 for free, or you could go ahead and continue with Grok Code Fast. So I'm going to click on continue right now. There we go. And as you can see here, you could give it something right away. So you can just go ahead and ask it to do anything you want. I could go ahead and type in, help me code a calculator app or something like that. So whatever you want to do, you can just go ahead and ask it and then click on the send button. It's going to go ahead and start thinking. It's going to ask you further questions over here. And as you can see, it already is planning to now create it. And that's pretty much how you can achieve this. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.